Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about fluent string and string. Okay, so the first one you will understand what is string, fluent string, and what is the difference between string and fluent string. And we want also to create one controller to testing string and fluent string, and how to use the method like replace first, replace last, ucfirst, camel, or other function in string in Laravel. Okay, so the first one, what is string and fluent string? String, it means that it is the method that containing in Laravel that we can change the string and we can format the string. Okay, fluent string is also the same as string, but it's more easier to use. Okay, so what is it? Like string, it means that you, when you want to use the string class, you can apply only one method at that time. Okay, but for fluent string you can apply for many function, many method at that time. Okay, you can use it easier. So you will clearly when I have an example on how to do it. Okay, so the different and my controller. Okay, so now let's go to test together. I create one controller for testing this. So this is my project, and now I create one controller. PHP artisan makes controller. My controller is testing string controller. Okay, I go to my controller here, and I will write one function, quick call index, and running hello. Okay, so this is, let me delete this. I create another function. Okay, test string, and I return string hello string. Okay, save it. I create one route for this. We go to web.php and route. Okay, so my route is here, get. I put my URL is list. Sorry, okay, you can put list, and class is user, sorry, testing string class. Okay, and then we put the function name is testing test string. Okay, let me check my function test string. Okay, that's correct. And don't forget import the controller. Use apps http controllers, sorry, and then we put controller name testing string class. Let's save it, and now let's test, run my project here, list. That's fine. So now we start to use the string. We go to controller, that function. I declare one variable called data. My data equalize hello. Let learning. Let learn about. Let learn Laravel. Okay. 9. So this is my string. So the first one I show you how to use string, and then I show you how to fluent string in order to compare it together. So like for example, we go to string, and sorry, we go to data, we use string like this. Before we use this, we need to import the string class, use illuminate, and then we use support. Okay, and then string. Let's save it, sorry, and then you can here string. I want to use ucfirst, and then I put my data. Okay, so let me save it. So ucfirst, it means that we want to the first capital, the first letter I want to make it become the capital letters. Okay, so H will be capital letters, so that then I return data. Okay, let me save and run my project. Okay, you can see here the hello became the H become capital letters, and then I use another method like here. I want to replace first string. Okay, replace first. I put what I want to replace. For example, I want to replace hello. Okay, then hello. I want to replace hello to hi. Okay, and then I put data. That's right, and save it and refresh it. Okay, you can see here it becomes hi, and also I want to use it like camel, string camel, also like this. Okay, camel, then you put the data. Okay, save it, refresh it. You see here is the how to use the camel, and the format it become like this. And so how about we use the fluent string? It is the simple string. Okay, so let me comment this. Now I show you how to use fluent string. Fluent string we can define like this, like data. Okay, string string, and then of data. Okay, of data, and then we can write like this. We can use ucfirst also, like ucfirst, and put data. Okay, we just write like this, and let me refresh it. Okay, you can see here it correct. Now I want to use like replace first, and then you can write here just the syntax like this, replace first. Okay, replace first, you put hello to hi, and then you put the data. Okay, just like this, and we delete this. Okay, let's save it. Okay, sorry, my bad. So what is something? Okay, my bad. Let me save it again. Refresh it. Okay, that's comes correct, and you can use more method in here. Okay, you can use more method in here like camels. Okay, camel like this, and data. Okay, so let me save it again. My bad. You can see here is the result of using the camel function. So this is, you can see is what is the difference between string, simple string, and fluent string. Okay, so You also can learn more about the string and fluent string in laravel.com in here. Okay, you can go to here string, it is the simple string, and you can see it's a fluent string and how to use many functions like lower, like upper. Okay, so you can use that. It's all like, for example, I want to use it upper function like this. Okay, save it and I refresh it. Okay, you can see it's become upper. So you can learn more in this and test one by one. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you with the next video. Thank you for watching.